Check out the 5415 HS Fast Conversion High-Speed Box Making Machine in action at our client's factory. Pioneering Three-Servo Feeder System. Equipped with Three-Servo Paper Feeding, allowing seamless switching between 6 different feeding modes based on various paper materials. Ensures smooth delivery, eliminates double sheet issues, and reduces operator setup difficulty. Pioneering 4-side box clamp per action. Ensures precise positioning by eliminating material pickup errors in the positioning manipulator. Pioneering All-Servo Forming Structure. Backed by a decade of experience and over 1,000 servo cam forming machines, our servo-driven box holding structure ensures stability, speed, efficiency, and durability. Pioneering quick changeover high-speed box making machine. The entire machine's changeover dimensions are fully, automatically adjusted and locked in place, saving changeover time for small batch orders and enhancing customer competitiveness. To see more, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.